In this video, I'll show you how to add sections to your Asana projects. Once you are on your Asana account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. From here, you want to head over to the bottom and click on Projects. Now, once you click on Projects, it will show you the list of all of your projects. And from here, you want to simply head over to the project in which you want to add sections to. As you can see, I have here a blank project. This means I don't have any sections or any tasks. Now, there are a lot of ways to add a section. And to add a section, I do suggest that you add it within two ways. One is through a list view, and the other way is a board view. Now, to add a board view, simply head over to the top, click on the plus sign to add a tab. And at the bottom, just simply choose the fourth option, which is a board. Now, what you can also do is add more into it. And for this demo, I will add a calendar, as well as a timeline in order for you to see how sections work. So in order for you to add a section, I suggest you go to the list view first. From here, you want to head over to the bottom and click on add section. Now, a section just means that this will be a part or this will be a title for specific tasks. So let's say we want to add a section for to do and press on enter. And below that, let's say we want them to make a website design. Once you press on enter, it will automatically be added as a task. And if you head over to your board view, it will also reflect within in here. Now, let's say we want to make a Kanban board, so we can also do that within the list section. From here, we can rename this as in progress. And at the bottom, we can add another section as done. And once you do that, if we head over to the board view, as you can see, it looks a bit like a Kanban board. Now, on the calendar and timeline, in order for you to see all of your tasks in here, as you can see on the calendar and the timeline, it is not showing. What you need to do is add a deadline within a task. So in here, we have to do on the website design. On the right-hand side, I will add an assignee. From here, I will just add their name or email address. And on the right-hand side of the assignee, I will add a due date. Now for this due date, let's set this to be next month, which is the 19th of June. At the bottom, we can also set this to repeat if that is something that we want to do. And on the left-hand side of that, we can add a due date time. Now, once we have an assignee and a due date on this task, if we head over to the calendar and head over to the very end of June until we see the task, it will automatically pop up in here. This will also work within a timeline, as you can see in here. On the left-hand side, it will add the sections, and you can also add a section within this timeline. So from here, we can add our tasks in here on a timeline. We can just simply click on different sections in order for them to add. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.